Okay, we got the potatoes boiling here. We're gonna watch this to see that it becomes moist. All right, back with the potatoes. Move this off to the side here. I'm gonna take a look. Yeah, they're ready. So I'm gonna take this off. We're gonna dump the water in this on the sink. I already have that there. I'm gonna have to move it off. And then we're gonna mash the potatoes and then add all this other wonderful seasoning stuff in there. And really, like milk, I want to make sure, see, this is kind of cold. It's that Greek yogurt. I don't want to try to make it too much of a disaster here, so I'm going to stop it. And I'm going to move it out and start doing what I need to do with that pan over there and start mashing. I do have a masher. The way I do it is I use this to mash my potatoes. So I might show you how I did it. Okay, so we got now our mashed potatoes. And I'm gonna, well, you know what? Some of it. I had this kind of boiled for a while. I don't know why that one's not. That one feels hard. So if I find some rough ones in here, I may just pull them out. Because really the bottom line over it is all the others were all done very well. I may not have moved it enough. This one here still appears to be pretty hard. So with that being said, you know, I don't know if I guess I can mash it. It is moist enough to be mashed. I think it was just one or two of them were not done, were not really cooked. But everything else is really cooked, as you can tell here. So I'm gonna start to get some of this here. Dump it in here, all of it, and mix it up. So this adds kind of like a Thanksgiving mashed potato deal. A little bit portion, not a whole lot. I don't want to end up causing a disaster on this here. We'll use that to mix up. Okay, so here we go. This is the asparagus. I already cut this out. Well, we just lost the piece down there. I'm gonna microwave some butter. And that's the way I do my work. Get it in here. Get it like around 20 seconds. I already chopped up the chives. We'll put that in a little bowl, because I always got something in here. I'll bring that out for chives. There we go. All right. It's telling me to stop. That may be fine, because... And I'm going to put this back on the tripod so I can show everybody how to do this. Should just use a cracked pepper. And there you have it, my friends. Smoked salmon, asparagus, and the special mashed potatoes with bacon, Greek's yogurt, and spices from the backyard. And as you can see, this is the smoked salmon. It really turned out nice. I mean, this was a good experience. The salmon's a little bit dry, but it has that sweetness of the brown sugar. So I could understand Jason Hill's experiment, although I think with regards to, I used less brown sugar, and still I thought that the seasoning should never overpower the meat. I really like to see all that come together. So we'll see everybody